how to change or delete a music post after posting on Instagram, Songstagram. First of all, you will need to click on the profile icon that you clearly see displayed here. From there, all of your posts will be comprehensively displayed here. You then need to click on any one of the specific posts where you want to either change or delete the associated music. Then at the top right corner, you will distinctly see these three dots. Click on them. And from there, select edit. Here I will click on change, and then you need to click on edit. Now, if you want to add something new, you can simply write it here. You can also easily tag someone here by using the available tag option. Here you can clearly see that you have an available option to add music. You will need to simply click on it, and as soon as you do so, you can then add any desired music from this particular section here. If I want to add this particular music, I will select it and then click here. As soon as you click, you will see that the music has been added here. If you tap done, you will notice that the music has changed. In this way, you can change or delete any music on your Instagram post. So that was today's video. I hope you liked it. If you truly like this video, please kindly give it a like. Also, please consider subscribing to our channel.